I'm going to present in the third international conference on multidisciplinary research trends in European, Asian, and African countries, that is IRTC 3.0 2024, organized by Eudoxia Research University, Newcastle, USA, and Eudoxia Research Center, India. My topic of discussion is AI driven innovation in management practices, and my guide is Dr. A. Uday Shankar, Associate Professor, Department of Business Management, KLU Business School, KL University, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, India. This is the agenda of my presentation, from abstract to references. The abstract: AI has emerged as transformative force in management practices, significantly enhancing how organizations approach strategy, operations, human resources, marketing, customer relations, and financial management. In strategic management, AI facilitates data-driven decision making and competitive analysis. HR management also benefits from AI by improving recruitment processes, performance management, and employee engagement. Despite these advancements, the adoption of AI also presents the challenges, including data privacy, algorithmic bias, and ethical considerations. AI's integration into management practices promises substantial benefits but requires careful consideration to maximize its potential while ensuring responsible and ethical use. Introduction: AI driven innovation represents a paradigm shift in how organizations approach decision making, operational efficiency, and strategic planning. The relevance of AI in management is underscored by its ability to streamline the process and improve the accuracy. AI-powered system can also automate routine tasks, allowing managers to focus on more strategic initiative in strategic management. In HR management, also AI revolutionizes the recruitment and talent management by leveraging data to identify and nurture the best talent. Marketing and customer relationship management also benefit from artificial intelligence through personalized marketing strategy and improved customer engagement. AI in management, all the area we are having the relevance of AI, that is in financial management, human resources management, marketing and customer relations, strategic management, and operational management. Overview of AI in management. The integration of AI into management practices has fundamentally altered the landscape of organizational operation, bringing about significant advancements and efficiencies. At its core, AI in management involves leveraging advanced algorithms and data analytics to gain insights that inform strategic decisions. Marketing and customer relationship management also benefit from AI through enhanced personalization and targeted marketing strategies. Coming to AI in operational management, AI is increasingly becoming the cornerstone in operational management, offering transformative capability that streamline the processes, enhance the efficiency, and drive productivity. By integrating AI technology into operational functions, organizations also can achieve significant improvements in their day-to-day operations, leading to cost reduction, better resource utilization, and enhanced overall performance. So there are impact of AI in management that in all the sector, that may be in financial management, marketing and customer relation, HR management, operational management, and strategic management. So AI in marketing and customer relation. AI-driven technology also enable the businesses to analyze vast amount of data, understand the customer behavior. AI can segment audiences based on various criteria such as demographics, purchase history. This level of personalization enhances the effectiveness of marketing efforts, increases the customer engagement, and improves the conversion rate. AI-powered tools also optimize marketing strategy through predictive analytics. This predictive capability also helps the marketers to anticipate customer needs, identify emerging trends, and adjust their strategies accordingly. AI in financial management. AI is significantly reshaping financial management by enhancing decision making, improve the accuracy. One of the primary application of AI in financial management is its financial forecasting and analysis. Machine learning models can identify pattern and correlation that might missed by traditional methods, providing more reliable projections of future financial performance. AI-powered tools can analyze real-time data to detect anomalies and potential threats, such as fraudulent transaction or irregular financial behavior. This not only reduces manual labor but also minimizes error and increases the accuracy of financial reports. Coming to conclusion, AI technology including machine learning, natural language processing and advanced analytics has enabled business to harness vast amount of data. In operational management, AI-driven automation and predictive maintenance streamline the process, reduce the cost and increase efficiency. Financial management has also seen considerable advancement due to AI with improved forecasting accuracy, risk management. These applications of AI not only drive operational efficiency but also contribute to more strategic and data-driven approach to management. So AI has proven to be powerful tool for enhancing management practices across multiple domains. These are the references of our study. Thank you.